This video is a walkthrough on how to set up groups in Canvas. So I'm already in Canvas. I have some students. First thing I need to do is I need to set up a group. So I'm going to go ahead and define my group as group 01. I want to define the groups later. You can have it auto do it, but it's kind of up to you how you want to do it. And I want to set up group 2. And underneath each group set, I'm going to have, again, 2 defined groups, 1 in each group, set, group 02. So what I want to do is I want to allow 2 students in each of these groups. Student 1, student 3 is in the group 1. Student 2 and student 4 are in group 2, and that's how we define our groups. So, once we've set up our groups, we need to do one more very important task. And that is, let's say we're setting up a discussion. We need to, first of all, let it know that it's a group discussion, and we're going to be assigning it to group 1. We also then need to, again, make sure we assign it to group 1, not everyone. Save it. You will get a message. That's okay. For our second discussion, again, I'm defining this as a group discussion, setting it to group 2. You'll notice whatever group set you set it to, the assign to option will only give you the groups underneath that group set. That's why we do one group set for one group set for the other. I've found that this works best for me. I mean, you could do one group set and have both group numbers underneath them. It's kind of up to you how you want to do them. So that's quickly how we do a discussion. An assignment is slightly different. Again, you still edit it. You do need to say it's a group assignment, but you want to make sure that you assign grades individually. That's the important part. If you do not make sure that's checked, what ends up happening is anyone in that group, you can now assign a flat grade to everyone based off of one person's submission, and we don't want that. You will get an error message. That's okay. Well, an alert message, not an error message. And for lab 2, we do this exact same thing. We define it as a group. We make sure to check individually. Group 2. Change the assign to group 2. Click save. There we go. Why is that important? It's important because when we're looking at the grading of it, I actually want to go ahead and filter based off of modules. Module 1. You'll notice that individuals aren't getting points for the assignment because they're not in that group. So this eliminates the need to continuously exclude people, like we did not set up the assignments. If we were going to, we can exclude the learner not in that group, and that means we'd only give points to the learner that's in that group. You know, that would work. But that's cumbersome. Assigning it just to the groups is a much cleaner, much more organized way. If you have any questions, concerns, please reach out.